A caption is something that we will usually see under a photograph or illustration. It's a sentence or paragraph that shows or that tells you what the picture is about. So in this particular picture, you see a frog sitting on this black thing and you say, what could that be? And if we read underneath it, it tells us this is a tiny frog sitting on a bicycle seat. A diagram is an image that shows the parts of something. A diagram contains labels. So a diagram can actually be a photograph or an illustration. The important part is that it has these labels that tell us where everything is, okay? You can see this one, it says there's sclera's right here, the pupils in the middle, the iris is this orange part. The labels name the different parts. The whole entire thing is called the diagram, okay? The labels are inside the diagram. So make sure that you understand that this whole thing has to be together to be the diagram. This is a close-up. A close-up is an image of something that is viewed at a very close range. It's basically like having a telescope or a microscope and going in really, really close. It allows the reader to see the intricate details of an object. Your question is, what is this close-up showing you a picture of?